Well, hello there everyone. This is Victor Chao. I'm currently working as a nutritionist, and apart from that, I'm a fitness enthusiast. Outside the gym and the office, I'm also a fit chef. Why? Because I love to eat just like you all audience in Malaysia. When it comes to eating, you definitely can't run away eating from our Chinese New Year, which is around the corner, right? Afraid not. Today, I'm going to introduce you one very healthy, very delicious, and also very easy to make. This recipe is called 10 Prosperity Porridge. So these are the ingredients for this awesome recipe. First of all, you definitely need organic 10-grain rice from Signature Market. Very high in dietary fiber that helps you to prolong your appetite satiety and not to mention reduce constipation throughout your Chinese New Year festive seasons. Some onions, garlic, scallops, ginger, and of course, my favorite, chicken breast for building up your muscles. Let's start cooking. First of all, you'll need this pressure cooker to cook, and then make your settings into a fry mode and start. And then while waiting it, we'll use sesame oil to fry our ingredients. Onions, garlics, ginger, and last of all, scallops. So just stir fry it for several minutes. You may add in your chicken. So during this Chinese New Year, you definitely want to burn some fat, right? One of the ways is to add more protein into your diet. And for this, I'm adding chicken breast that is higher in protein and lower in fat. So, so nice, I even want to take a bite now. Okay, so for the seasoning, to make it more tastier, you can use cumin powder. Just add as according to your preference. Some salt. Some pepper. Oops. And some salt. But I would say just a little bit of salt because you don't want to get bloated during Chinese New Year, right? That should be enough. And then just further stir fry it up. Wow, I can tell you all the aroma here is beautiful. So next and lastly, we'll add in the Signature Market's organic 10-grain rice. So just add one bowl of it into the pot and some water. So just add water and just cover all the ingredients. That will be fine. Once the ingredients are in, you can just close the lid and set the settings to porridge mode. Press start and then just let it cook. So while waiting, I'm gonna head to the gym and I'll see you guys later.
1 hour later.
I just back from my gym and the porridge is ready, and then you can just slowly open up this thing, yeah? So make sure a cloth is here. Right? Wow, the smell of prosperity. One thing I like about this pressure cooker is that from the moment I already finished my gym, it's already ready for me, so I can save a lot of time during this waiting period. And then during this process, my mom always told me that you need to say some fortune sayings like 發啊，恭喜發財啊，財源滾滾來啊, these kinds of fortune sayings, so that the porridge will be also very delicious and also very prosperous at the same time, alright? So there you have it. This is the 10 Prosperity Porridge. So if let's say you let me to eat one bowl of this porridge, I definitely will be hungry 5 minutes later because I have a very high metabolism and big appetite. So I will add something into this, which is Healthy Nut Mix by Signature Market. Definitely one of my favorites because it contains one of my most favorite nuts inside it. Just pour as according to your preference. And for me, I usually like to pour the whole packet, but for you all, depends on your preference, alright? So there you have it, 10 Prosperity Porridge. Give this a try. The full recipe is below the description box. Subscribe to us and let us know how you all like it. So hope you all enjoy it and 恭喜发财，新年快乐！ Sorry. Wait guys, want to win back this luxurious pressure cooker from Khind? Very easy. All you have to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, share and comment down what you want us to cook for the next video. So the person with the best comment will win away this pressure cooker. So good luck guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.